Okay. So they'll be here in 30 minutes. Hey, Maggie.
Hi, Mr. Jones. Everything okay?
Yeah, great. Everything's great. You know those clients we met with yesterday?
Oh, yeah, the ones that said they wanted to check with our competitors before signing?
Yes, they're signing with us. I told you we're the best in the business, Maggie. But they're heading over here right now to sign the papers. So I need all hands on deck.
Oh, of course. I understand. You're under the gun, huh? How can I help?
You can put... Wait, what? Who has a gun?
Oh, sorry. No one. I was just saying that you're under the gun, because this is an important meeting and you only have a short amount of time to get everything ready.
Oh, yes, I see. That is stressful. So I guess being under a gun is stressful too. So I am under the gun. So I need you to go to Diane and help her pull all the files we need and just do whatever she says.
Oh, of course. No problem, Mr. Jones. I'm happy to help. Don't worry. I'm sure this isn't the first time your team has been under the gun like this.
That's true. Oh, thanks, Maggie. Now, go help Diane.
Sure, right. Clock's ticking.
Yeah, clock's ticking. Like a bomb? Is there a bomb? There are guns, there are bombs. What is this place?